Hi everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I want to talk about carpets. Can you get cheap and durable carpet? I have the answer for you. And if you're looking for cheap carpet, you can find it, but you won't find durable carpet. If you find durable carpet, you won't find cheap. That's actually the answer. But if you want to learn a little more about carpeting and how you can find each, I have the answer for you. First of all, I want to talk about the fibers. You need to understand a little bit about the terminology. Here we have two type of carpet. They look extremely different. One is cat pile. Let me explain what a cat pile is. The piles are those fibers, to talk in your terms. Then the fibers usually they come with a loop and they just cut the loop, and it's when you can see the fiber just moving like that. This used to be a little loop that they cut, and then you have a straight fibers. Now on this one, it could turn into this, but if you can see here, if you look deep down, you will see a little loop. That's what I'm talking about, loops. The fibers, they still have a loop. Which of these two will last longer? The loop pile will last longer, it cleans better. The cat pile, it won't last as long. What's more comfortable to you? The cat pile would be more comfortable, you got more cushion than a loop pile. About pricing, you have to check because sometimes they sell the loop pile a little more expensive because it lasts longer, but people don't like it because it's not very comfortable. Now let's talk about twist. That's another factor that it will make your carpet last longer, be cheaper, more expensive. All right, if you want to know about the twist, it's hard to see it, but in the carpet, you will see those fibers. Each piece of fiber inside has more fibers together. What's happening? We got one piece of fiber, and then a lot of fibers are twisted together to make the fibers. The more fibers you have there twisted all the way to the top, the stronger the dark carpet is. But of course, you're getting more fibers, you're gonna get charged more for that piece of carpet. Remember, you cannot get a strong quality, good quality carpet for an inexpensive price. You're paying to get more in that fiber. Now we have to talk about weight. What means weight? Basically, how much carpeting, how much fibers you have in one little square. Let's say that way you understand. In this piece of carpet here, we have this amount of fiber compared to this. How do we know where do we have more? If you go with your fingers in this one, my fingers hardly go in. That means that that carpet is very compacted. We have a lot of fibers. If we look here, my fingers go in very easily, and you can see my the marks on my fingers. That means that we don't have a lot of carpeting here. Comparing these two, I highly, since we clean a lot of this carpet, this will clean better. It will last longer, but it will cost you more. This one is a little more comfortable since it's a little more loose. You're gonna feel that cushion, but the dirt will go into the fibers. It won't last as long. But those are the three things that you should look when you are buying carpeting. One is if you got a cat pile, a loop pile. The other one is the twist, how much fibers you're buying, and then the weight. The lower the weight is, how much fibers you got, the cheaper it will be, but it won't last long. The more you have, the longer it will last your carpet. And one recommendation, don't forget, no matter what you buy, you always have to do maintenance. You have to vacuum your carpets. You have to hire a professional to clean your carpets, because if you don't do it, you're gonna lose the warranty of your brand new carpet. Most carpet mills, they recommend that you clean your carpets within 18 months with a professional company doing hot water extraction. I hope I answered the question, and if you have any additional comments, please leave your comment on this video. Thank you.